So this is a workaround for a situation where my assignments are worth 30% of the grade, my homework is worth 70% of the grade, but I have a homework assignment that's worth a lot of points compared to the other two, and I want to make these equal as far as their relative weight within this homework group. And I'm going to create a new assignment, and it's going to be called your actual grade, and it's going to be worth 0, of course, and it's going to be in a new group, and it's going to be a no submission, and hit save and publish. On my settings page, go to more options and say hide totals and student grade summary, because that will hide the totals from the student, the other items. And now I can go to my grades page, I can export the grades, and in the downloaded file I can focus on this actual grade column, make my calculations to do whatever, to give the students some number. After I adjust the grade data in the column that I added, it's important that I save it as a CSV file, keep it in the same format that I downloaded as. Then back in Canvas, choose File. Canvas will confirm that I am entering data, and then I will click the Save Changes button. When a student logs in and looks at their grades in this class, they see the custom grade item that I created and has the results of my Excel calculations, but they don't see their total grade for the class. The weighted numbers, though, would still reflect Canvas's way of calculating, which is to respect the point value of the assignments within the assignments group.